Good morning, children. How are you all? All are happy? Okay. I hope everybody is keeping very well at home. See, listen. Last week I gave you some work now. Page number 43, 44, 45. Some of your work I didn't get at all. You didn't do that. See, after doing everything, you will get one sentence here. You will get one code. Some of your work I got. Thank you very much. I hope some of you are doing your work at proper time. And also I ask the parents, please help the children to learn their lessons, do their homework. Okay? Already we have studied addition. I hope everybody has understood addition. Now let's study chapter 3, subtraction. Okay. UKG onwards you are studying subtraction. Smaller numbers you can do it. Now let me give you some 2-digit number first. That is revision exercise. Find the difference. Find the difference. First of all, write 1 tens. Minus. Okay. $23 minus 10. 23 minus 10. See, first number should be bigger when you subtract. Okay. And also you should subtract from the topper number. Down number from the topper number. Okay. Here it is 3. 3 minus 0. 3 minus 0. 0 means nothing now. We don't want to subtract anything. The same number you can write. 3. Then 2 minus 1. 2. You can take it 2. Minus 1 means this one. Like this. So 2 minus 1. 1. Okay. 13 we got the answer. Another one. Here it is 72 minus 56. 72 minus 56. See, look here. First number is smaller now. 2. 2 is smaller than 6. So, we cannot subtract 6 from 2. We have to borrow from the next place. So, if we borrow from 7, it will get 12. Now, it will get 12. Here, deducting 1 from 7, cutting and writing 6. Now it is 12. So, we better to count upwards because we have only 10 fingers. If we count, if we take first number on fingers, it is very hard. We won't get it. Answer. After 10, we cannot do it. Okay. So, we can count upwards. 6 to 12. 6 after. Take in the hand. 6 after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. How much we are getting on our hand? That will be answer. Okay. 6 we got in the hand. So, 6 is the answer. Then, here it is 6. 6 minus 5. That means count upwards. 5 after. Next number 6. Only 1. Okay. Now it is 16. Understood? Okay, another one I will show you. Minus. Here it is 80 minus 25. 80 minus 25. So look here. The first digit is 0. 0 is smaller than 5 now. So we cannot subtract 0 from 5. We have to borrow from the next place. Okay. From 8 we are taking 1. 110. 110 means 1 and 0, 10 you will get. Then cut and write the down number 7. First of all, you have to do all these things, then only you subtract. Okay. Then now here we got 10. This one also cut and write. Okay. 10. 10 minus 5. Count upwards. 5 after 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many we got in the hand? 5. 5. Here 7 no. Count upwards. 2 after 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 5. Write the minus like this. Okay. You got 55. Okay. One more. Here we are leaving one column here. Then you can write the number when we cut. Okay. See here. Here also look. Always check the one. Always subtract from the ones place. Don't do it from the tens place. You won't get the correct answer. Okay. Now it is smaller number now. Check whether it is smaller or bigger. If it is smaller, you should borrow. If it is bigger, directly you can write. You can subtract. Okay. See, this is second number is 7. 3 is smaller than 7. So you cannot subtract. So you have to borrow from the next place. Here it is cut and write same now. Here, write in the column. Same number you can write upwards. Then one number borrowing from the next place. Cut and write 7. Okay, that is good now. So here it is 13. So 7 to 13 count on the finger. Okay, 7 to 13. 7 after 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. How many we got? See how many fingers we have? Okay, 6. So write number 6. Then here the 7 now. Count upwards. 4 after 5, 6, 7. 3. 36. Understood? Now subtraction of 3-digit numbers. Subtraction of 3-digit numbers. Subtraction of 3-digit numbers. See, when we subtract, you arrange the given numbers in the vertical columns under the heads of ones, tens and hundreds. Don't forget it. Arrange the numbers in vertical column. Okay. Then you subtract from the ones place. Start from the ones place only. Remember that. Then make sure that you subtract the smaller number from the greater number. Don't forget, smaller number from the greater number. If the first number is smaller, you should borrow from the tens place. Okay. If the first number is smaller in the tens place, borrow from the hundred place. Understood? Don't forget. Then always start subtracting from the ones column, then tens and hundreds. Okay, understood? Then now let us see. I'll give you some examples. Then question now. Subtract 245 from 457. From means this number should subtract from this number. So the bigger number should write first. Arrange in vertical column. Okay. Ones, tens, hundreds. Okay, here bigger number is this one now, 457. Then smaller number 245. Okay, put minus out of the column. Then see, 7 is bigger, not smaller. If it is bigger, directly we can subtract. Okay, 5 from 7. So 5 to 7 counts. 5 after. 6, 7, 2. Then 4 to 5. 4 after. 5, 1. 2 to 4. 2 after. 3, 4, 2. So 212. Easily you got the answer. Okay. Next one, 523 and 876. Find the difference between 523 and 876. 876. See, from is not at all given in this question. So we have to find out which number is bigger. First of all, what we should do? Draw the vertical columns. Ones, tens, hundred. Okay. Here bigger number. See the 100 place. Then easily we can find out which number is bigger. Here it is 5 now. Here it is 8. So 8 is always bigger now. So the whole number should write first. 876 should write first. Then the second number 523. Put minus outside. Okay. Then it is first number is bigger or smaller, check. First number is bigger, no? Okay. If it is bigger, no problem. Directly we can subtract. 6. So 3 after you can count. 4, 5, 6. How many we are getting in the hand? 3. Here 2 to 7. 2 after. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 5. 5 to 8. 6, 7, 8. 3. So got the answer 353. When you get the question like this, find out which number is bigger. Check the 100 place. Okay, easily you can get it. Understood? Okay, here 582. And find the difference between 582 and 376. So here also make ones, 10, 100. Okay. Here, which number is bigger? Here 5, here 3. 5 is bigger, no? 100 place. So 582 write first. Next number 376. You check. First number is it bigger? No, it is smaller. So we should borrow. If it is smaller, we should borrow. Don't forget, cut and write same number. Here cut and write 7. 1 is writing in the left side of the ones place. Then 6 to 12. 6 after. Don't take 6. Next number only take. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 6. Then 7. Same number, no? If it is same number, 7 minus 7. 0. 5 minus 5. 0. 2 minus 2, 0. If it is same number for subtraction, the answer will be 0. Okay. 7 minus 7, 0. Then here it is 5 minus 3. 5 minus 3. 3 after 4, 5, 2. 206. Got it? Okay. Study well, subtraction, do yourself, better to you do yourself. If any need you want, any help you want, then only ask your parents. Some children are not doing your work, always playing at home, not at all good. That is your responsibility, you have to do your work. Subtract the following next. Subtract the following. Ones, tens, 100. Okay. 946. 946 minus 24. 24. Here it is bigger number. First number is bigger. So directly you can subtract 4 from 6. 4 after 5, 6, 2. Here this one also bigger. 2 after 3, 4, 2. See, no number to subtract. So same number bring down. 922. Okay, got it? Okay, today we can finish the class. Remaining we can take tomorrow. Study at home. Subtraction. Don't forget. You take time to study. Okay. Bye for today. Okay. Remaining let us study tomorrow.